Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw a giant heart in Notepad using text. So I'm going to open Notepad. Now you want to decide what letters you're going to use or if you're just going to use one letter. For today's tutorial, I'm just going to use the letter I for the whole entire heart. Now, if you really want to be creative, you could take this heart and make a word search or something like that. But for today's tutorial, I'm just going to keep it simple and do one letter for the whole entire heart. And I'm going to do that letter in uppercase, so I have my caps lock key on. That way I don't have to keep pressing shift over and over again. Before we begin, I'm going to go to Edit, and then Font. And you want to make sure that the font size is set to 36. Now, of course, you can change the font family, but I'm just going to leave it as is. It's on Consolas, and I'm going to leave it at that. And you can also change the font style from regular to italic, bold, or bold italic. I'm going to leave that part till the end. So make sure it's set to 36, and then make sure you press the back arrow to go back to your note. All right, so I'm going to put the cursor at the beginning of the note. Now press Tab twice, 1, 2, and 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to type 6 letters. I'm going to use the letter I. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, and then 6 more letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now press Enter. For line 2, we're going to do 2 tabs, so 1, 2, and 2 spaces, 1, 2. Now 8 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 space, and 8 more letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And press Enter. For line 3, we're going to do 2 tabs, so 1, 2, and 1 space, and then 19 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And press Enter. For line 4, we're going to do 2 tabs. So 1, 2, 2 spaces, 1, 2, and 17 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And press Enter. For line number 5, we're going to do 2 tabs. So 1, 2, 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, and 15 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And press Enter. For line number 6, we're going to do 2 tabs. So 1, 2, 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 13 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And press Enter. For line number 7, we're going to do 2 tabs. So 1, 2, 5 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 11 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And press Enter. For line number 8, we're going to do 2 tabs. So 1, 2, 6 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And press Enter. For line number 9, we're going to do 2 tabs. So 1, 2, 7 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And press Enter. For line number 10, we're going to do 3 tabs. So 1, 2, 3, and 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And press Enter. For line number 11, we're going to do 3 tabs. So 1, 2, 3, 1 space, 3 letters, 1, 2, 3, and press Enter. For our last line, line number 12, we're going to do 3 tabs. So 1, 2, 3, 2 spaces, 1, 2, and 1 letter. Now, if you want to save the heart, you can either save it as is, or you can save it with extra formatting such as bolding and italicizing. Now, if you want to save it with extra formatting such as bolding and italicizing, it's a lot more difficult to save it than it is to save it as is, but I'm going to show you guys both ways regardless. Now, I'm going to start with showing you how to save this with extra formatting. Now, before I do that, I'm going to highlight everything. Now, you don't have to do this step, but I'm going to highlight everything and right-click and select Copy. Now, you'll see in a minute why I just did that. So to save it with the extra formatting, first of all, I'm going to add the extra formatting. So I'm going to highlight everything and then click B for bold and then I for italicize. And as you can see, that makes it look a lot cooler than it did. Now I'm going to go File, Save As. It says Save as Markdown to keep formatting. This is a text file. To keep the current formatting like bolding and heading, save it as a Markdown file or .md. If you save as plain text file, all formatting will be lost. Now it does prompt you to save as a Markdown file, but I wouldn't do this if I were you, and I'm going to show you why right now. So I'm going to select Save as Markdown File, backspace this, I'm going to call it Heart, 2, and save. So far it still looks normal. Now I'm going to go ahead and close this, and I'm going to go ahead and reopen Notepad. And as you can see, as soon as I open that, it opens that note. And as you can see, it's pretty messed up. So that's why you don't want to save it as that. Now I'm going to go ahead and open a new tab in Notepad. And I'm going to right click and select paste. And then I'm going to move this over 2 tabs and over 3 spaces. I'm going to go ahead and reformat it. So I'm going to bold and italicize. And I'm going to go ahead and close the other note. Now, to have it actually turn out with the formatting, you have to actually save this as a screenshot on your computer and then crop the screenshot. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. To take a screenshot, you're going to press the FN key and the print screen key at the same time. If you don't know what the print screen key is, it's PRT space SC. It stands for print screen, and it allows you to take a screenshot or a picture of your computer screen. So I'm going to press those at the same time. Now under snipping area, you want to make sure it's set to window or full screen. I'm going to go with full screen. Now we're going to open the screenshot. So we're going to go to File Explorer, and then Pictures, and then Screenshots. And it should be this last one here. So I'm going to double click on it to open. Now we're going to crop the screenshot. To do that, we're going to go to Edit in the top left-hand corner. And then we're just going to drag the sides in and drag the bottom up and drag the top down. Now to save it, you have different save options. Under save options, we have save as copy, save, and copy to clipboard. So you can either save it as a copy, which will save this as well as the original screenshot, or you can click save, which will save just this one and overwrite the screenshot. So I'm going to click save. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to close this and this. I'm going to go ahead and highlight everything again. I'm going to undo the bolding, so I'm going to click B twice. And I'm going to undo the italics as well. So I'm going to double click on the I. So to save it like this, I'm simply going to click File, Save As, and then Save as Text File. Backspace that, and I'm going to call it Heart 3. I'm going to close this, and I'm going to reopen Notepad. And as you can see, it saved it just as is. So I'm going to close Notepad. And that is how you draw a giant heart in Notepad using text. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you in my next video.